In this video, I'm going to be very real with you guys. I'm going to answer a very important question that most people ask me. How long does it take to learn data analytics? I'm not going to lie and I'm not going to fake. I'm going to be very real with you guys. I'm going to talk about 3 different types of people: the working class, the unemployed, and then the slow learner. So if you're in any of this category, you are wondering how long it will take for you to learn this analytics, then keep watching this video because you will get answers to every question that you have related to this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca Ike. I'm a data analyst and also a data analyst instructor. In this channel, I give out tutorials on data analytics with different tools, and I also give out videos this way that can help you be the best data analyst in the world. Okay, so today I'm going to tell you how long it takes to learn data analytics, and I'm going to tell you based on experience and based on what I've seen and based on research also. Okay, so before we begin, please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section after you are done watching so that we know what you think about this video. So let's start with the group 1. That is the working class learners. So you have a full-time job, and maybe you're a family person, or you're married, or you have kids, and then the only time you have to learn this skill is at night. You are not alone. And here's the truth: if you stay consistent at least 1 to 2 hours every day, let's say Monday to Friday, then you will take around 6 to 7 months to learn and master data analytics. Now, I'm not saying that you should look for a data analytics course that will take 6 to 7 months for you to learn. No, your course or your training might just take 3 months or so, but then you have to give yourself extra months to learn and practice to become good. Okay, so this, what I'm going to talk about, is not about the length of time your training should go. No, your trainings can be as long as any. It can be 3 months, it can be 4, it can be 5, it can even be a year. Okay, but then for you, how long it will take for you? Let's say your trainings are like 3 months, and the trainings you went through or you are planning to go through is 3 months. You will need like 3 or 4 months more if you're a working class person and you only have time to learn at night to actually learn data analytics. So summarizing everything, I would say 6 to 7 months. So as a working class person, and you only have to learn when you come back from your work at night, at least if you're consistent 1 to 2 hours every day, Monday to Friday, then in 6 to 7 months you will be ready as a data analyst. So I did a research on this, and I found that Alex, the analyst, also confirmed this. He also learned data analytics while working a full-time job. He only learned it at night, and he was consistent Monday to Friday, and it only took him 6 to 7 months to learn data analytics. So this is actually confirmed. Okay, so it's actually confirmed. If you're consistent in 6 to 7 months, you are ready, like you are fully equipped as a data analyst. So guys, it's not about the speed, it's about showing up every day. It's about showing up every day. So if you can just take 1 or 2 hours every day after work to practice, in 6 to 7 months time, you are ready, like fully ready for your job. Yeah. Now let's talk about the group 2. That is the unemployed but unsure set of people. You're not working, you have time, but your problem is maybe you don't have a clear direction. We are jumping from one YouTube video tutorial to another, or switching from Excel, Power BI, SQL every week. Here's the deal: with focused learning and a solid plan, you can be ready in 4 to 5 months. Just focusing and having a plan on how you will learn data analytics, then in 4 to 5 months, you are ready. That is, you have time, right? You're not working, and you have a solid plan on how to learn. That's if you're self-learning, right? In 4 to 5 months, you are ready. Remember, it doesn't mean you should go and be looking for training that will take 4 to 5 months. The training can be 3, 4, or the 5 months. But if the training, let's say the training is 3 months, you still need 4 to 5 months. That means after the 3 months training, right, you still need like 1 to 2 months to practice and solidify the skill. If you have time, like from Monday to Saturday or from Monday to Friday, you have the time, you stay at home, you don't work, you in 2 months time after your training, you'll be able, right, to be ready, very job ready as a data analyst, and you can start applying for jobs. And for you to learn data analytics as an unemployed person, you have to learn this skill as a job. You have to learning it as a job. The way you wake up in the morning, you bathe, brush, start learning. Get a place like an office in your house. Start learning. Give yourself a specific time. You have to learn every month. Work every day. What some people do is that they use social media to keep themselves accountable. They use TikTok or Instagram or whatever. So every day they make a post about what they learned in that day, right? And they share it to people. That helps them keep themselves accountable. So you can also try that. Create a TikTok or an Instagram page. Always make a video updating people about your learning process, right? When you do that, you know that people are expecting you to see a new video, and you have to always give out content, and that is going to also encourage you to learn every day, and it will help you to be consistent. And building in public is also going to help you. Now let's talk about the third group, the slow and steady learners. So maybe you're a slow and steady learner and you're working a full-time job, or you are unemployed. With consistency, you might take longer to learn. So this depends on you actually. You see, these three groups that we have, these three groups that I'm mentioning, if you notice, it actually depends on you. So we don't have any specific time that you're going to tell everybody generally. It actually depends on you. Trust me, you can learn this thing in 4 months and get a job immediately after learning it in 4 months. I have people that have done that before. I even did it. I made a video like last year on how I got a job after learning data analytics for 6 weeks. Maybe I'll put the video over there so you can look at it when you're done watching this video. It is very possible. It all depends on you if you give it time. But if you're a slow learner, right, you only need like 1 year. You just give it 1 year. Yes. Take your time, learn, familiarize yourself with the tools, with the skills. Practice, go through the training, the recordings, the videos, the materials, go through them consistently, go back if you're not understanding, practice and practice and practice. In 1 year, you will be able to learn it. So maybe you're new to tech, you don't know anything about tech, maybe you don't even have any science background, and you think, is it possible for me to learn this skill? And then maybe you are like, I'm a slow learner and also I'm new to tech. Is it really possible? It is very possible. Just that you will have to give it more time. You have to give it more time than every other person will. And you have to take longer time to actually learn the skill. So remember, I said it's not about the length of the training. It's about what you do after the training. So a lot of people struggle with catching up with the training. Maybe they are confused why their training is going on. After I finished data analytics, I didn't even understand anything in that training. Honestly, I was lost because I was very new in tech. But after the training, I went back to the recordings one after the other, and I practiced by myself every single day, and I built projects, and I had to go to YouTube, watch videos. So I did the practicing, I did the training myself after my training was done. Do you understand? And most of us, we are busy with trainings that we are going through. Maybe it's online training, or it's even physical, and then trying to miss classes. As long as you can get the recording and the video, you can always go through it. It's very, very important for you to go through your training recordings and the materials personally. So you shouldn't get scared, you shouldn't get worried when going through your training and you don't understand what you are being taught. That doesn't mean the instructor is not teaching well. That doesn't mean you don't have any hope. It only means you just have to do more work. People that are already in tech and maybe have a background knowledge of data analytics, they will find it very easy to adapt to the trainings. So maybe you might see some people doing your training and they are doing so well, answering questions, and you're like, are you sure this is for me? It is for you. You guys are not in different position. Okay, the person might have done a course previously in data analytics, and this is your first time. So take it easy on yourself. Take it easy on yourself. Depending on you, what works for you, depending on how much you are willing to give to this, in a few more time, you'll be ready to work as a data analyst. Now, let's do a recap of what we learned. So for working class people with consistency, you are ready for your data analyst job in 6 to 7 months, right? For unemployed people with consistency and focus, you are ready in 4 to 5 months. Then for slow and steady learners, in 1 year, you are ready for your first data analyst work. So I hope this video was very helpful to you guys. Thank you so much for watching till now. Please like and subscribe to this video. It really helps this channel a lot. So like and subscribe so that you can be notified when a new video is being posted. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.